What up, YouTube? I just got done, my wife got back and someone gave me a trunk off of a Heritage. And, like I said, I'm going to make the softail to where, I don't think why do I say like I said? I don't know. But anywho, I'm going to make this bike, me and her went for a ride on it. Man, this bike loves the extra weight on it. You know what I mean? It doesn't lug, it doesn't hesitate, it just goes. It barely drops down. So I'm gonna look for something else to make a single bob out, maybe a chopper, I don't know. But this is it, the luggage rack, the trunk. I can't look at my camera, so I'm probably messing up right now. I don't think it looks too bad. I got the gas tank all fixed in the electronics. Let me see. There we go. I had to put the rack on, but it wouldn't take the quick connects. I don't think it looks bad. It matches the old button seat that I hate. So I got all that apart. Tomorrow we're going to do a junkyard for bikes so I can get parts for it, you know, what I need. Stuff, and front turn signals, I need all them electronics. Whoever had this bike before, damn. But let me know what y'all think about her. All original leather bags. I don't think that's original. I think that might be a little newer, but it looks OG. I might have to do a little polishing on the buttons. I have to get new the little chrome things that go with the leather thing. I kept the leather straps, but I don't know, maybe I'll try to polish the ones that was on there up or see what happens. Even matches the little tool bag. Windshield's off right now because I'm working. I'm trying to get my bike box together. You know how that is. And I got so much tools. All them boxes are full. Yeah, so, yeah, man. I'll take y'all along with me. Don't forget, hit that like, hit that subscribe. I really appreciate it. I've been doing the YouTube thing for a long time, and I'm finally starting to get some subscribers. And you know, I've never done this before. I mean, it's not the greatest content. I'll learn to edit down the road. I use a phone, so I'll take you along with me tomorrow morning. We're going to the junkyard. I'm gonna do it in parts. And I used to be able to edit and see if I can edit it into one video from when I get up and leave or whatnot. So, yeah, like I said, please, I really appreciate it. It doesn't take but a second. It helps me out. I know you don't know me from a can of paint. You don't owe me nothing. No one owes me a dang thing. So, thanks. And don't forget, I don't know what to say right now. Bye.